I'm going to give you a little background about myself so you can get to know me more as your instructor. My name is Nick Walter, and a quirky thing about me is that I go by Rick Walter during the summer. It's just kind of a fun thing that I started doing a few years ago. So if you ever see me online as Nick, know that that's my regular name. But sometimes during the summer, I go by Rick, and that's what that's all about. I started programming back in 2010. My dad gave me an iPhone as a welcome home gift when I came back from a 2-year mission in Japan. And it was the first time I had really seen apps on a phone, and it just blew my mind. And I just thought, I got to get into this. I got to learn how to make apps. And unfortunately, it took me a really long time to figure it out and get things working. But I'd say from about 2012 and onward, I've been working and making apps full time. It's just been my passion in life. And so it's evolved from apps. I've gotten into, Apple Watch apps and other things. I'm really loving Swift. I've tried a couple other programming technologies, but I'm definitely an Apple fanboy. So now that you know a little bit about me, let me tell you about this course. It's all about making Apple Watch apps, and I'm assuming that you have an iOS programming background. Now, if you don't have that, please do not go forward with the course, because I assume that you have that entry-level knowledge of making iPhone apps, and if that's not the case, please contact me. I'll get you a refund. I'll get you in a course that can actually teach you that stuff, but here on out, I'm assuming you've made 1 or 2 iPhone apps before. The course is basically broken up into 3 different apps that you can learn how to program. I'm going to walk you through start to end. I have completed code for you on GitHub, so you can check that out and kind of compare your and I's code together. One thing that I really recommend in this course is experimentation. So I'm going to be walking you through making 3 different apps, but put your own spin on it. I really find, especially with online courses, when you sort of deviate from the instructor a little bit and kind of make things in your own way, that's when real learning starts to take place. Please be active with any questions or answering other questions for students. I love to have a vibrant community, and it's one of the greatest things that I love about my students. Also, when you see a little pop-up box to give a rating to this course, I'd love to see your review. These courses are something that I really care about and want to make awesome stuff for you, so I really value your feedback. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into it. We're going to be making our very first app, the Time Tracker.